Oh.
Don't go in there. They want you to enter the safe haven, but they're gonna... Crap, someone's gonna get down, everyone hide,
Well, hi. My name's Desiree. Welcome to our safe haven. It's so nice to see you. You come on and follow me. We're gonna get you all settled in. I'm sorry. Who are you?
You know who I am, you did this to me, you did this to everyone! You're gonna butcher them all!
Have you been eating that tainted meat again?
I'm gonna kill them.
You seem to have lost your mind, sweetie. There's no place for you here. Now, if you come on and follow
Don't listen to it, they're gonna kill you, they're gonna eat you, and then they're
Shut up! Shut up! This ain't I'm sorry about all that. Now come on, collect your things and follow me. I'm gonna show you where you're gonna stay, your new home. Come on now, watch your steps. As you can see, this is a safe place here. You're gonna be very welcome. So you go on ahead on through the washroom. There'll be someone there to meet you on the other side. Now I'm gonna put the food on very soon. I hope you're all hungry, because you either find the food or you become the food. Go on, someone's gonna meet you on the other side. No, please, no more! No, no!